How to make noodle spring rolls. Pour 2 cups of water.
Wait for the water to boil. When your water is boiling, put in your noodles. Stir your noodles until they're well cooked.
Drain your noodles.
Pour the seasoning into your noodles.
Mix your noodles together.
When your noodles are ready, put them into a bowl.
Cut your veggies.
Make sure to also peel your veggies. Cut your cucumbers in half twice.
Dip your rice paper into warm water for 45 seconds. After, put your rice paper in a separate plate, get your noodles, and put as much as you want.
After you put as much noodles as you want, add your carrot and cucumber. Then roll it up.